In the heart of China, a revolution is underway. BYD, the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer, is building the biggest gigafactory the world has ever seen. 10 times the size of Tesla's Gigafactory, this mega facility will change the face of the EV industry forever. BYD, or Build Your Dreams, was founded in 1995 by Wang Chuanfu. From humble beginnings as a battery manufacturer, BYD has grown to become a global leader in EVs, with a market capitalization of over $100 billion. Wang Chuanfu, BYD founder. Our goal is to make EVs affordable for everyone. We've invested heavily in R&D, and our blade battery technology has been a game changer. BYD's existing facilities are already producing over 1 million EVs per year, but to meet growing demand, they need a new, massive production hub. Located in Suzhou, China, the Mega Gigafactory spans over 10 million square feet, roughly the size of 200 football fields. It will produce 1 million electric vehicles per year, with a target of 5 million by 2030. The facility will feature advanced robotics, AI-powered production lines, and a closed-loop recycling system. BYD aims to reduce production costs by 30% and increase efficiency by 50%. BYD's Mega Gigafactory will have far-reaching implications for the EV industry. With increased production capacity, BYD can expand its market share and accelerate the global transition to electric transportation. BYD is already exporting EVs to over 50 countries. With the Mega Gigafactory, they'll become a dominant player in the global EV market. Wang Chuanfu, we're not just building cars, we're building a sustainable future. The Mega Gigafactory is a milestone in our journey to make EVs accessible to everyone. BYD's Mega Gigafactory is a testament to China's commitment to EVs and a glimpse into the future of transportation. As the world shifts to electric, one thing is clear: BYD is leading the charge.
Adoption. In 2022, BYD became the first major automaker to entirely phase out internal combustion engine vehicles, ending the era of gasoline, not with slogans but with action. By November 2024, it celebrated its 10 millionth new energy vehicle, not in a California showroom, but on a production line in Zhengzhou, where the world's largest factory is emerging as a new industrial icon. If you think BYD is just about cheap outsourcing, consider these figures. 968,900 employees, including over 104,000 in R&D. 13,000 patents filed between 2003 and 2023. 39.91 billion CNY, approximately $5.6 billion, invested in R&D in 2023 alone, equating to 6% of operating revenue, a ratio rivaling Apple. In a country where the private sector is often doubted for innovation, BYD lives up to its name, Build Your Dreams, proving it can create its own future. From factories in China, Brazil, Hungary, Indonesia, to production sites in Vietnam, Canada, and Thailand, BYD is no longer just a domestic brand. It's reshaping the industrial map, building localized supply chains in every region. With a Hungarian factory set to open in 2026 to bypass EU tariffs, and 3 Brazilian plants serving South America. BYD's produce where you sell strategy cuts costs, dodges trade barriers, and wins local favor, something many Western conglomerates have struggled to achieve. This is a direct challenge to Tesla. If Elon Musk once warned that competition is coming, BYD is answering with action, producing nearly 360,000 vehicles monthly, priced at 2/3 of a Model 3, and meeting global safety standards. In 2025, models like the Seal, Dolphin, and Yangwang U8 SUV hit European roads, priced $8,000 below competitors in their class. From a domestic tech dream to global dominance, BYD has built a closed-loop ecosystem that even the most storied industrial empires now approach with caution.